think about what God has done. When things are going well for you, be glad. And when trouble comes, just remember this fair value gap. Then we moved back to the downside. But guess what? So what's up, guys? Good morning, and it is currently, let me check the time. It's currently 6:32, as you guys can see, and it's Eid. So if you're a Muslim and you're watching this, I just want to say happy Eid. So just for making up, and you see, and as I was like, okay, I am done having my preview. Remember, it's a Friday today. But again, I don't have anything to trade it on. I don't have a challenge phase. I don't have a real account. I have nothing. And like I've been over trading on demo, so I even stopped. I even now stopped trading on demo. But looking at these charts like today morning and everything, I realized even though I had an account, I wouldn't have been considering to trade this day. The reason is right now I'm on the NQ chart. Just look at all this price action. It is not giving at all. And even besides that, when when you look through all this price action, you can see that today is not a good day to take on a trade. Yeah, that was on Nasdaq. But as for gold, still on the same time frame, the daily time frame, you can see it there. But as for gold, if you can see it well, you clearly see that these markets are actually having a good trend, right? From the daily time frame, you can see that you have a downtrend. And if you're looking out for a trade, you could be like, you may wait for the, since now we have reached at the optimum trade entry, you could have a push to the upside. It could even take 2 days. It will take 2 days. But today is Friday, but just in case we get a massive move to the upper side, to the upside, we may expect price to fill in this fair value gap, then may it continue to the downside, or may it come, break through this OTA, give us a break and retest, then goes to the upside. If you go to Forex Factory, you can clearly see that today, which is Friday, March 20th, we don't have any like news. This is actually in Ugandan time. The news, it is not related to the USD. Why? Because me, it's better I trade towards, okay, I trade when I'm seeing like news because it will bring about a high impact. And the fact that even it's a Friday, I had my research and I realized that even Fridays, even me in my strategy, Fridays are not very good days, especially when they have low volatility. They are not good days. So the fact that there is no news, there may be low volatility. Anyways, whatever the market shows. But as for NQ, I'm like kind of biased that there will be low volatility. Then for gold, it moves according to the political atmosphere. Yes, which is like the fundamentals, but also according to the fear or greed of most retail traders or even investors, right? So yeah, so gold can move, can have a massive move today, even NQ. But I'm just biased on NQ, and because of what I've told you, how the chart looks like. What am I saying? I even don't have what to trade on right now. I don't have it yet. I even thought I'll get like funny how this life moves. But even I thought I reached a point and I thought that I'll have some funds. Then I make use of the Eid discounts on these different prop firms, but nothing. But yeah, I remember I have to take these things slowly because I shouldn't be rushing onto this. Yeah, so that's my morning. I'm going to prepare up. Today I'm actually home. I'm not going to school since it's a public holiday. But yeah, that's how I've seen the start of the day. So I'm just gonna prepare up, then afterwards we see what happens next. just been back testing, plus having something to write, because coming to next week I'll have to be wearing, right? So I'm gonna wash, then after I'll come back. So good morning. Good morning. Is actually you guys can see it is the 21st. It is coming to, and yeah, yesterday it was a Friday, and it was price actually did some good thing, like it moved massively. On the Nasdaq, it had some exponential move. We underestimated. Okay, I underestimated it earlier on. I didn't make this video yesterday in the evening because I was not around, but the Nasdaq moved down like it dropped literally kind of like 2%. Then gold as well, like massively dropped. Yeah, but before that, I was actually, let me place this here. I was actually reading the Bible, as you guys can see, and I've been in this book. It's called Ecclesiastes, and it says in, sorry, chapter 7 verse 13, and it says, think about what God has done, and how can anyone straighten out what God has crooked. When things are going well for you, be glad, and when trouble comes, just remember God sends both happiness and trouble. You never know what's going to happen next. So waking up and reflecting on this verse, it literally means that as per now, I may be in this situation whereby I have nothing to trade with. I don't have any trading account. I don't have, like, literally all I'm just left with is me going to school and perhaps looking for an online hustle or for a side hustle which I can do physically and get that chunk of money, then invest it into my trading. But this first just shows you that you don't know what's happening next. That means you can lose, then win. You can win, then lose. It will depend. Let me say, like, you buy 10 prop farm accounts and you blow like 5, right? You will still have lost, but you would have gained those other 5. They find it. You know what I'm saying? So it is not me. I've been moving in this cycle of now I bought a prop farm, I got paid, sorry, I got funded. That's like a win. Then massively went back like to zero, and that's a loss. So me in this loss, there's no way I can now lose more because I don't have anything. I don't know if you guys are getting this. There's no way I can lose more because I don't have anything. If I had something to lose, I would have been kind of on the defensive side. But the fact that I don't have anything to lose, I'm just here playing. And I believe it's just for this time period, because it literally says that when God sends both happiness and trouble, at least that you know that He will send you happiness and He will send you the trouble. Or me, I'm calling it, He will send you the win and the loss. But you never know what's going to happen next. You literally never know. So, yeah, that is it. So, all I want to say to you guys is that you read your Bibles, like, read your Bibles, because this trading journey, you can get closer to God the more like you look into this, you realize that you can get closer to God. But yeah, putting that aside, I'd like to just show you the charts, and we see. We can see now that on the daily time frame, as you guys can see, we had a sweep of liquidity. This is on the daily time frame. Remember yesterday I showed you when price had not yet like had this massive move to the downside. So we had this low right here, which was actually taken out here. So as that's what was on the Nasdaq, we have seen that it's actually now giving us a clear downtrend. Then as for gold, you remember what I told you guys, gold drops massively as well. Yesterday we thought that would anticipate a move to this fair value gap, then we moved back to the downside, But guess what? Gold just continued to the downside, and yeah, it gave us some nice formation. Low key, if I tell you guys, actually, I kind of feel, how should I say? I kind of feel bad for myself that I'm not taking. Okay, it's fear of missing out, that I'm not taking advantage of these price moves as at the moment. And yes, it's understandable because I have nothing to trade with. But again, I feel guilt at a point. I think this guilt should stop because I'm having this goal that I should have capitalized on this opportunity. I don't have it, and I think that will lag me back. But as I've said, I should just let it go. Yeah, the time has to come right because me, I'm not here like to force anything. I'm here in the long run, and we keep working out. So, good morning, guys. It is 6. As you guys can see, it is 6:19. Yeah, 6:19 March. Yeah, you may ask why I'm up this early. It's because I have what? There's some work like I'm doing. They gave us an assignment, and I have to do it and finish it. I didn't do it yesterday, and since tomorrow is gonna be Monday, yeah, this is 6 in the morning. This tomorrow is gonna be Monday. I'll want to do it the whole of it today so that I'm cleared. I'm way off. Yeah, so that's it. I'm gonna be doing what I have to do. Then we shall see. Yeah, we shall see. But yeah, it's a Sunday. Happy Sunday to you all. And yeah, let's get into it. So I was actually from school, from one of my friends' school. It was their station, but guys, there's a lot of smoke here.